What's up, everybody? Here's a new video. We're going to be talking about what is the ROP, the EOQ, and the quantity discount rate on our Google Sheet. So to start, we're going to go with the ROP. So ROP is the third sheet here on our Google Doc, and this is what you're going to be learning also throughout your rotation in operations. You're going to have videos where you're going to see when do you order things and how much you should order. The economic order quantity is what EOQ stands for. So stuff like that. And what I've done to kind of make it a little easier rather than having to go back and forth between what we have now and what we need, I've already put the units that we have available and ready to sell. So ROP stands for reorder point, and reorder point is referring to once we get down to the ROP, let's say 7 units, which is 7 hammocks, that's when we need to start reordering. So if we were to go to our raw material sheet, let's say we had that many instead. It goes and turns into red. That means it's below the reorder point and we need to start ordering some more. Sorry, that's my dog. Mabel, quiet. And anyway, continuing on, the SS stands for safety stock. It's number 3. That's referring to how much we should have in safety stock. Let's say we run out of stock, we at least have 3. And all of these numbers are calculated based on the average daily demand. And so that number is over here. Average daily sold. So these weekly numbers, or these daily numbers, will reset for every week that you create a new document sheet, and I'll show you how to read, and I'll show you in another video how to make another document sheet to restart for another week. But let's go ahead and change this back to 13 to what it originally was. So 11 staying above 7, that's good. Staying above 7 for drawstring bags, that's good. Based off the daily demand, we have 1,040 feet. Once we get to 106 feet, we need to order some more. Right here, I put feet to order. So when this turns red, it's because it's below 106. So right now it says you're good for an extra 934 feet. So obviously we have plenty. We don't need to worry about that stuff. Right here, this is for the 550 paracord, and right now it says 7. We have a total of 103 feet, and right now we have 96 feet to go, so we're good on that. Same thing here, you understand what that means for the 95 paracord. Solar chargers, we are running out, we're below our safety stock and we're below our reorder point when we need to reorder some more products. So right now we have 5 in stock. We need to stay above 12 based off of the daily demand for the week. So yeah, that's not so great. I believe we are receiving some more, but this just accounts for what that is. And moving on to the next video, I'm going to show you how to do the economic order quantity. I'll see you in the next one.